It's crunch time for the Indian cricket, with the much anticipated Champions Trophy 2025 kicking off today as India faces Bangladesh in Dubai. However, there's a major setback for Team India as star pacer Jasprit Bumrah will not be part of the action due to a back injury. Bumrah, who was initially named in the squad, was ruled out after suffering a lower back injury during the fifth test of the Border Gavaskar Trophy in Sydney earlier this year. Bumrah's absence is undoubtedly a blow to the Indian squad. His stunning performances in 2024 earned him the prestigious ICC Cricketer of the Year and ICC Test Cricketer of the Year awards. But the big question on every mind is, how is Bumrah recovering and when can we expect to see him back on the field? To shed light on his recovery, we caught up with Bumrah's wife, Sanjana Ganeshan, who gave us a key update on the fast bowler's fitness. Let's hear what she had to say when she recently interviewed Bangladesh's Mehdi Hasan Miraz. He's okay. He's been training at the NCA in Bengaluru now. So things are going well with his recovery. Sanjana mentioned that Bumrah has started training again at the National Cricket Academy in Bengaluru. That's definitely a good sign for all the fans who are eagerly waiting for his return. But it looks like the rest of the cricketing world might not be as thrilled about his recovery. In a light-hearted moment, during the interview, Bangladesh's Mehdi Hasan Miraz made it clear that they are relieved Bumrah won't be playing in the Champions Trophy 2025. He is a very dangerous bowler. Oof! We are very happy that he is not here. Everybody respects him, every batter. I got out against him 2 times. He improved a lot. He bowls both ways. It's clear from Miraz's comment that Bumrah is widely respected as one of the most dangerous bowlers in the world of cricket. And let's not forget, his skills with the ball have been a nightmare for many top batters across formats. With 149 wickets in just 89 ODIs, Bumrah's impact has been undeniable. Since making his international debut for India in 2016, Bumrah has become one of the most lethal bowlers in the world. His ability to swing the ball both ways, combined with his pinpoint yorkers, has made him to go-to option for India, especially in the death overs. It's no surprise that he was named the ICC Cricketer of the Year and ICC Test Cricketer of the Year for 2024. While India may miss Bumrah's firepower in this year's Champions Trophy, the team will have to rely on players like Mohammad Shami, who will lead the bowling attack in Bumrah's absence. Alongside him, there's T20I Cricketer of the Year 2024, Arshdeep Singh, and Harshit Rana, who all will play crucial roles as India aims for success in the tournament. The Champions Trophy 2025 is a big stage and every team will be bringing their best. India's journey begins today against Bangladesh. While Bumrah might not be there to take wickets, we can rest assured that the Indian team will fight hard for the victory. Let's hope for the great tournament ahead. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and in-depth coverage of the Champions Trophy 2025. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.